it's just me too. So we were getting ready to go to the beach. We're getting ready to go to Laguna. It is 8:06. Supposed to be out here by 8:30 at the latest. And Kellen's meeting us there. And I'm excited because it's been 115 degrees and it's just been like a hot mess out here. So we're gonna go to the beach and hopefully enjoy ourselves and everything like that. I probably should have done like what my bikini looks like. I'll do that really quick. Hello. We finally made it to the beach.
Had a couple of epic fails, but it's all good.
We made it though. This is what the king and queen do. The loyal servant.
Do not call me that.
We finally made it to the beach. It is now 10:39. 2.5 hours later, we made it. It's fine. It's great. The whole party is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. What did you find, sir?
The circle of life.
Circle of life. How does that saying go?
How does what thing go?
Circle of life.
You're born and you die.
No, Dad,
And somebody eats you.
you have to say it in this way the circle of life goes.
Okay, I was about to jump in the water.
In a minute. Hi. Zeus mode. Again. Why? Are you having fun?
Yeah.
He's not
I wish you would come over and
concerned.
let me go see the crabs.
He's not concerned about me at all.
I'm very concerned with the crabs.
About the water.
I want to catch them.
If we're gonna make a YouTube channel, you have to actually talk to the people.
Okay. Crabs are awesome. The coolest thing I ever seen. And they're everywhere. Is that good? No? No, not really? Hi.
We're working on it. We're working on it. Okay, I'm gonna let him go jump in the water. You ready? Did you bring me? Aww, you're like a penguin. You brought me the most prettiest seashell ever. Let me see. No, babe. I accept your offer of love. Is that what that was for?
Yeah, I was.
You're on video.
Yes. What's up?
You almost killed me. You almost made me fall and died. What? He found me seashells. He does love me. Oh, so loved. Guys, I literally have the best boyfriend ever. Over there. Finding me seashells. Hi. Okay. I think our beach day's over. I'm really sad. The water. Okay.
See ya.
Nope. I swear I will make him a YouTuber by the time we are dead.
So this is a goodbye video.
No, okay, but you gotta like say bye. Like,
That's what I
we
was
had
saying.
so much fun at the beach. You gotta talk about your experience and all that fun stuff. Like, are you sunburned?
Yes. Mixed breeds don't handle sun well. We don't handle sun well.
Well, that sucks for our children. I'm in the water. Great. Anyway, guys, we had a fabulous day at the beach. We're all tired, hot, sunburned, all that stuff. So we will see you next time on It's Just Beach.